I have absolutely no clue what's going on here. What is your screen like?
What?
Mine's just a black.
I imagine yours is like that the whole video. Well, see, I can't.
No, I just leave.
I'm stuck in here.
Leave.
Now it's my turn.
No, just leave so that I can restart it.
Oh, I don't want to play this.
We need to keep on playing it until I say we can leave.
So I can leave when I want.
That's also the rules with you. You get to choose whenever I leave.
So we can play again.
No, because we need to sleep. Right, now it's working. Loading. So what's mine? Oh, my the writing is it covered up again?
Yeah, it's covered up.
No, it's not coming up.
Let's say it's covered up. Can it just be mine?
Are you in the game now?
Yeah. Mine is working.
Mine's isn't, bruh. How is that fair?
I don't know.
Can't you see what it's like?
Okay. Now we're supposed to turn off the clock.
Midnight already.
Okay, you're sleeping in my bed. You went in my bed.
Key. Where'd I put it?
Oh no, it's because yours was going on first, and then mine would go on. That's why.
All right.
Ugh.
Key. Let's just find the key.
Is that me? Is that my voice?
No, it's mine. It says you for me.
So it says
Like,
you.
Y-O-U. I need to find the keys.
It's really quite outlined.
Oh yeah, it is. Thanks.
There it is.
Out to the outbacks I go.
Why am I so chunky? Just because I'm a bacon.
Gotta be kidding me.
Go to the back. Oh, look, I'm out here.
All right, mark it run first.
Drive, hurry. Sit down. You'll be driving me. I'm
Yeah.
the passenger.
Get in, princess.
What the hell? I'm not so sure now.
I think I'm going the wrong way.
I'm going the wrong way.
I think so.
Oh, like that. Lucy, why am I
It even shows here.
You squished me into you. Ow, Lucy. Squished me to the back.
Put your seatbelt on then.
Gee, just a deer.
I can't see. Why does that say whoa, Jesus?
We're here.
Okay, Mama.
Where do you think you are?
I'm stuck in the car.
What's the car driving
I
on?
can't even sit in. I can't even sit. Oh, you're such a bad driver. so good at driving very often, yeah.
I crashed again.
I'm gonna stand in the back and I'm gonna jump out the car. I just opened the back. There's a shop back here. There's a shop.
Go in it then.
I am.
No, I'm driving away without you.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm parking the car. Oh, where is yellow? The park. Park it that way. How did that park that Kira so well? Totally.
Dallas, all that cheese, sauce, meat.
Salada.
The shelves are empty.
Got some salada.
You got some poo.
Ooh.
Oh, that looked really like a burrito.
I got some sauce.
Shawarma.
They hardly have anything. Lavish. Lemonade cola. No, hurry, join back before you leave.
I'm still in the game.
Oh, good. I need some. Oh, what that? It's cheese. Shawarma. What's that? I think we do need it.
It's not on the shopping list.
Okay. That was meat.
Supplies are in the back aisle. Take your time.
Why is there candy here? I saw a Galaxy bar there. Okay, so cute. What's that?
I can't find any.
I'm just gonna set that in the air.
I need some cola. Where can I get cola?
Did you find sauce and cheese at the drink set door?
But I can't. Where am I supposed to grab it?
I don't know. It's not here.
I know they don't sell cola.
No, you should get cola.
Cola. I just turned into a siren.
Cola. Cola.
Wait, I think it's in here.
Cola.
Oh my god, it's in here.
Where?
I found it.
What? Where?
I think I took the last box of it.
Be
Boing.
careful out there.
Don't care what you're gonna say.
Ah,
I don't care if you tear me apart.
I don't care if you kiss me. Why is there cola?
Where's the phone?
Here's cola. That was in the van.
No, you had to buy it. Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with lavish. Put it on the counter. Then you slice the meat.
Lizzie, I just got disconnected.
No!
No.
Does it look like I care?
I got disconnected. been disconnected.
No, you left.
Whenever.
Well, if you got disconnected, no, I would have got disconnected, so I'm continuing the game.
But I was actually disconnected.
Well, do you want to come back?
I don't know. What is this reason back?
That's why you left. So you did leave? Well, I just said that's why you left, and you said no, no, it wasn't.
I joined my friend, Lyle.
Ask him why he was playing it.
Because his friend was playing.
No, ask him why his friend was playing it. Stupid.
Because it's a girl.
No, it's not.
His girlfriend.
No, it's his pal, Lyle. He was the one that stole my bloody hotspot. I'm still mad at him for that.
What?
Hey, I'll take a shawarma with sauce, cheese, and salad. And a cola on the side.
Sauce. Play. Let me just put a big hairball on it. There. Play. Whee! Just chuck it in the front. Where'd I get cola from? Cola, 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 cola. There we go. How do I roll up the sandalwood? You think I'd take another lavish? You go. Wee. I'm gonna flap if this does not. Bruh. Bye.